Okay, for today's vlog, we're gonna be doing. I want to do slime switch up. Huh? Okay. So guys, hold on. Yeah. I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside. This what it looks like. See, as y'all can see them cars down there. It's raining, y'all. So guys, we're gonna eat. Just go down there. Okay.
Right, they struggling worse than us. Yeah, so I wrote Tate, and he said he gonna get in contact with me.
All right. Okay, guys. Huh? No. I was saying don't use the ones that's not. So as y'all know, I need y'all to subscribe. Click that post notification on 1 minute in the video. Like and comment. Any video that you want me to do, I don't care what it is. I only got like, I know I haven't been posting because there's not really nothing to post. Let's say my mom bought me like, or my everything, my dad.
I'm still using it.
What, Car, this not my,
That is the one to use.
well, hurry up. And, or my everything, that's my dad. If he bought me like 5 things, or 5 things a big jar of white glue, or 1 thing of white glue, I will make the biggest, fluffiest slime. I buy a lot of shaving cream. I'll get some more activator. This is my activator. I put it in this little container. It got a little color to it because I added, what a tie it. This look like it's yellow, but I don't know what my green one is. It's somewhere.
That is the one I use.
Well, yeah. And so we're going to be doing a challenge. Well, I was going to do, I'm making another, since I deleted the one when I opened a bag of Takis in class, I'm going to redo that one because I deleted it. I said Takis. You can say Takis, anything. So, comment down below if you want to know how to make slime. Any kind of slime. The only slime that I don't know how to make is jiggly slime and water. Well, I know how to make water slime. It's easy. And cloud slime. That's what I don't know how to make. I want, and the cube slime. I don't know how to make the slime. Comment down below if you know how to make cube slime, jiggly slime, or cloud slime. And so let's get started. What we're gonna do today. And as you can see, I had a little. Let's give a shout out to TJ because he said he commented on a video. Well, Gabby. Get a shout out to Gabby. So,
If you comment down below, you get a shout out also.
yeah, you comment down below, you get a shout out. You comment like on every video, you'll get lots and lots of shout outs. So, this, I don't know if I showed you guys this slime yet. I have to go back and look on my page.
Oh yeah, and also go check out Queen Naja and Claire Bear,
And Claire Bear,
which is Clarence.
go check out them. And Queen, if y'all, comment down below if you know that
is
Queen.
my sister.
The car be quiet.
You shut up.
Okay, and comment down below if you
And
know
go
that.
subscribe to Armor and the Trey and Perfect Lab and
Oh my.
the TPP Squad. The TP Squad.
And go up. And comment down below if you know that Queen Naja
It's pretty.
is pregnant.
With my baby boy. Cause Claire Bear. You so pretty. You so pretty. Okay, it is.
Okay.
That baby gonna come out cute.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Let's see. I'm show you the activator. It got a little tie-dye color. Say, you can get activated.
Oh, Queen Naja come up under. I'm like, yay. I'm like,
Queen Naja is the best. I love every song. Well, I won't say every song because I don't every song. I don't know the song Butterflies, so I have to learn this song. Okay, so comment down below. You got an Oxford
I
School.
like all of her songs. I like Arma and the Trey songs. I like all the songs.
I like. So I love Alma and Trey songs. Don't get me wrong now.
She in love with Trey.
Shut up. Comment down below if. Huh? All right.
Yeah, she said she gonna get her a cover made with Trey. So they probably like Trey too, but they can't see. And y'all better
Don't pay no attention. All right. Y'all can hear that. Don't mind it. Okay. So this slime, if y'all ever made foam slime, this is not like the right foam beads. As y'all know, I be posting a lot of slime videos. Well, not a lot.
Cause she's a slime booger.
I love to make slime. I'm addicted to slime now.
Yeah, y'all, she be smoking that slime.
I don't smoke no dang slime. Okay, as y'all can look, guys, look at that. See,
I'm gonna get on my MacBook. Don't nobody wanna. Oh, this boy. Oh, this boy.
well, get on your MacBook. I'm trying to bring mine.
Girl.
Okay,
Shut
guys.
up talking. Like, comb your nappy hair.
She's funny.
She's
All right.
funny. She
Okay, guys. So, well, we're not doing the slime. We're gonna be doing makeup. So let's go. Cigar. Oh, so like, mama call you. Probably saw you.
Hello? Huh? No? I'm for the boo. Huh? Oh, mama. I can't hold it. Zaza, I got it. Alright. Zaz,
Huh?
mama said bring her a cigarette.
She look like a cigarette. Where is it?
Hold on. She said in her purse.
All right. Okay. What is it?
They in my purse. They in the car.
Mama.
I do it. I do it. I.
I don't want to go outside. It's raining. As you guys can see, my dad. Okay. Let's get on doing makeup. But first, let me show you my sister. I'm not gonna show you that. First, we're gonna do nails. I'm gonna add double. I don't know why I was whispering. What you know? Okay. And guys, I'm still what? Still doing a YouTube video. Where's the car? Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm down my nails, so let's get to. Where's my makeup? Like, where is my makeup? Like, I want to freak out. I don't know what I did with my makeup, but we're going to end this video right here. I'm sorry I didn't get to show you whatever. Blah, 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 blah. Ooh. What's this thing on my face? Show you my dad. Oh, yes. Ow! What's the fart? Ouch, my feet. You won't. Click that post notification so you won't miss any video. Comment down below is this. Oh, yeah, is this funny? And we're gonna keep this video as long as we can. Let's go back. Huh? No. Comment down below if this is funny. I'll show you my dad. You said good. Oh, I think I should go first. Oh no, I can't do it. I heard something. He said, your breath. You okay? So bye, guys. Follow me on Instagram and follow Cardi B. Bye.